going to now sing a song called In the Morning that night. Or in the evening. I just tap off my back on, I don't know why. Butterflies at sunrise tap on my window pane. I open my eyes and I call out your name. And I can smell fresh coffee cause the toast is a little burnt. Cause your head's out the window and you're looking at the birds as they sing to you in the morning. Wake up world, it's the morning. These little moments are what make my life worthwhile. So I can wake up with you in the morning. The sunlight breaks the rainbow through the dew on the grass. I wish that I could stay here and make the morning last. But we have to go about our day until we meet again. I'll just keep thinking about today and the time that we spent at home with you in the morning. Wake up world in the morning. I just can't wait till I get to go to bed, so I can wake up with you